What if I told you that you no longer need Hollywood budgets, Bollywood studios, or million-dollar cameras to make a blockbuster action movie? Today, with AI, you can sit in your home or office and create scenes that look straight out of the big screen. And in this tutorial, I'll show you step-by-step how to do it using Hailuo AI, plus how you can even use Gemini to help you craft perfect prompts for realistic results. So, grab your popcorn, because by the end of this video, you'll be ready to create your own action movie from script to screen without ever stepping foot in a studio. Welcome to the future of filmmaking. So first things first, you go to your phone and click on Gemini. I know everybody has this app. Click on Gemini, okay? This is Gemini right here, the first one. You can get it from your browser or from any phone, Android or iPhone. Just click Gemini and it opens like this. Once you get to Gemini, this is what you'll find. Now, they'll ask you questions. They say, ask Gemini. Let's ask a question then. This is how we prompt for our movie. I'll type, give me a script, okay? A script of a short action movie with 2 characters. Because I don't want it to be long, just 2 characters. Then I'll add, please make it consistent, okay? Consistent characters. Consistent characters, that's what I'll do. I'll click go and wait for it to generate, okay? So we have this. This is what they are giving us. This is the short script they're giving us, okay? There you go. This is a short script. Wow. Gemini, your short script is really short. Okay, now after the script, what I'll do here is I'll say, give me each scene. Give me each scene with consistent character, So because I want everything to be good, I will say, give me each scene with consistent character for motion. Okay, this is the next step that you take. Now I'll click on the next step. I'll click generate, and I'll wait for them to give us scene after scene. Because normally, you can have the movie like this. This is a short script of the movie. With just the script, you cannot get good visuals. So after you get the script, the next thing you need to do is tell them to give you scene after scene. Each scene with consistent character. So they'll give you each scene, okay, with consistent character. So let's say here, you have them giving us scene after scene. Here it says, Kai's motion, minimal and arrogant. He should shift his weight slightly to the other side. So you can see, these are the prompts. What I'll do is I'll copy prompt after prompt, and then we go generate it, okay? We go generate it to video. Now, you can copy prompt after prompt and generate it to image first. If you want to see how the image is going to look before turning it into a video. If you don't want to do that, just go directly from text to video, okay? Now, this is the first one. This is the second one, Ava and Kai. So you'll see their motions in each section, okay? So I'll copy this. Okay? I'll copy that. That's the first one. Copy. Kai stands near the edge. So I'll copy this one. That's the first scene. You can see that's the first scene. Okay, now the second scene will be here, which will still come, and I'll copy. But let's go to our video tool. So if you have your own video tool that turns your text into video, good for you. I'll be using Minimax. I'll click on Minimax and open it. Like this is Minimax, and this is how it looks. If you haven't used this tool before, register on this tool before you use it. Once you get to this tool, register with your email. The next thing you see there is image to video / text to video / image generation. So I'll click on text to video. Once I click on text to video, I'll paste my prompt. After pasting your prompt, click finish. Then click on the 25 coins and wait. So I've clicked on the 25 coins and I'm waiting for my video to generate. So let's go back to Gemini. Let's go back to Gemini and copy the second prompt. So this is the second prompt here. Kai Tun, his movements slowed and unhurried. You copy it. I'll copy it and end it here. That's the second one. Copy. Now, when we copy the second one, we go to video 2 again. I'll go to video to click while the first one is generating. I'll come back and do a new prompt. Click there, paste, copy. Okay, the second one is going. Let's go and take the third one. I'll place this one. So we have our videos generating. Okay, so this is the third. Now, this is the first video. Let's see how it goes. That's the first scene. We'll see how the second scene goes. how the third scene goes, okay? Now, when we're done doing all this, generating all scenes step by step, let's go and put it together before we put the voiceover, okay? Now we come back to Gemini. After all this, I'll ask Gemini to give me voiceover. Give me the voiceover for the above script. Click on that and wait for the voiceover. So this will be the voiceover for the script. This is your voiceover, okay? You see rooftop, it's clear. You see that this is the first person talking. You go down, the second person is talking here. You're late, this is the third person talking. Copy the first person's conversation, generate it. Second person's conversation, generate it. Then we'll put together in CapCut, okay? Let me teach you how to put it together. On 11 Labs, this is 11 Labs. I'll start by making the discussion. So this is the first person, you're late, okay? Which is from the guy who said, you're late. I'll look for a voice that matches an authoritative voice because it's like an actual action movie. Choose a voice that really feels realistic. Take this one. I'll click Generate Speech. You're late. This is what I'll take. Click on Save. Save this. This is how you generate all your speech, one after another. It is walk. It is walk. But this is how you generate all your speech. Save your audio. I'll just save it with you're late, so I know what I'm getting. Once that's done, I'll copy the second one. Go back to Gemini and copy the second one, depending on your conversation. Follow your conversation step by step. Now I'll choose a female voice because the other person is female. Just trust yourself and know how to regenerate. Cut puts the briefcase down, slides it a foot. Click Generate, save it. The next place we go to put this movie together is CapCut. Once you get to CapCut, open it and wait for it to load. Click Add Video /New Video /New Project. Once you click on New Video, it gives you different videos to add. We have this, and this. I'll click Done, then Add. This is your movie set already. Now bring in your voiceovers step by step. I didn't do all voiceovers or videos for all scenes because it would take too long. Click on Audio, then Sounds, then from Device /Select from Device. Bring in your voiceovers. First one, you're late. Open and add. Second scene. Kai puts the briefcase down, slides it a foot. Open and add. We have our two sounds added here. Place them on the timeline. You're late, then put the briefcase down. Add a movie song below for cinematic effect. Click Add Sound. Choose Artificial Sound, or look for fighting sounds. Some parts might not align perfectly. Click and split clips. Take off unnecessary parts so your movie flows well. For example, remove idle standing parts. She clears the spot for the fight. Trim and split until the fight starts naturally. This is how you fix AI-generated movies. Cut unnecessary parts, align voiceovers, and make the video classy. That's it. You see him take out his gun. They're ready to fight. She pushes the suitcase. The standing fight isn't necessary. Trim and split to make it perfect. And that's how, with tools like Hailuo and Gemini, you can create realistic action movie scenes without Hollywood or Bollywood. If this inspired you, hit that like button, drop a comment telling me what kind of AI movie you'd love to make, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Because the future of film isn't in Los Angeles or Mumbai anymore. It's in your hands, right here, right now. So yeah, guys, that's it. If you learned anything, comment in the comment section. Tell me the next AI you want me to review, or the next thing that you want me to learn about AI. I'll teach you. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you.